Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to settings the video capture on the Diablo Immortal mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Diablo Immortal account, and if you already log in, you can click the setting menu on the right top corner. Okay, click, and in this settings you can go to the settings menu, and then in the settings menu you can see the video capture, and then click it, and you can see the here is the settings. Two main settings over here. For the first is the highlight video settings, and also the second is the manual video settings. Okay, and for the highlight video settings you can also enable the highlight picture, and if you want to enable the the highlight capture, you can click OK. Okay, you can click this button, and then you can click OK, but I don't want to enable the highlight capture, guys. And also for the manual edit video settings, you can also enable a manual capture, and you can also choose the video quality for the medium and also height, and the frame rate limit also 30 and the 60. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.